Starting a digital marketing agency in 2024 can be a lucrative and exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Define your niche. To stand out in a crowded market, you need to specialize in a specific area of digital marketing. Whether it's SEO, PPC, social media, or content marketing, choose a niche that you're passionate about and have experience in. 2. Conduct market research. Before launching your agency, research the demand for your services, the competition, and the pricing landscape. This will help you set realistic goals and expectations. 3. Develop a business plan. Your business plan should include your target audience, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational details. It should also outline your unique value proposition and how you plan to differentiate yourself from competitors. 4. Register your business. Depending on your location, you may need to register your agency as a legal entity. This will give you credibility and protect your personal assets. 5. Build your team. Hire a team of experienced digital marketing professionals who share your vision and values. Look for people who are passionate about their work, have a track record of success, and are a good fit for your culture. 6. Set up your technology stack. Invest in the right tools and software to manage your clients' campaigns, track performance, and streamline your workflow. This will help you deliver high-quality results and maximize efficiency. 7. Create a pricing structure. Determine your pricing strategy based on your niche, experience level, and target audience. Be transparent about your fees and communicate the value you provide. 8. Build your client base. Use your network, social media, and content marketing to attract potential clients. Offer a free consultation or audit to demonstrate your expertise and build trust. 9. Deliver exceptional results. Focus on delivering exceptional results for your clients. This will help you build a strong reputation and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. 10. Continuously improve. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in digital marketing and invest in ongoing education and training for your team. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and provide your clients with the best possible service.